Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to show you how to become a pallet trader with flat cargo. Our concept is simple. It's about allowing you to develop a profitable and sustainable business in a market with high demand while benefiting from our experience and tools. The pallet market is a strategic sector with constant demand in industry, logistics, and retail. In Europe, millions of pallets circulate every single day. A market worth several billion euros, and one that remains essential to logistics and industry. Flat cargo is much more than just a pallet seller. We buy, we resell. We collect, we repair. We recycle, we manufacture, and we offer optimized storage on a European scale. A complete service from the first to the last mile. By becoming a partner, you gain access to exclusive tools, marketing support, a powerful management software, a complete catalog with negotiated suppliers, training and ongoing support to help you progress quickly. To get started, plan a gradual investment of 40,000 euros. This covers working capital, equipment, as well as a warehouse of at least 200 square meters. You benefit from an exclusive area around your warehouse. And we train you on our products and our working methods with all our tools. After 6 months, you can reach a turnover of 50,000 euros per month. With a 20% gross margin, that makes about 7,000 euros of gross profit once fixed costs are deducted. This allows you to maintain an attractive and recurring income. At Flat Cargo, we offer 2 packages with a one-time entry fee of 1,500 euros. The partner pack costs 249 euros per month plus a 3% royalty on your revenue generated through Flat Cargo. The Partner Pro Pack costs 449 euros per month, with the same royalty, but also includes marketing support to boost your visibility and attract potential clients. You got it. The market is huge, the model is profitable, and the support is complete. If you want to learn more or discuss your project, contact us today. Together, we will review your territory, your goals, and how we can help you achieve your ambitions with the Flat Cargo partner model.